You're probably thinking to yourself, we already did this chapter. Yes, we did. We set up changes for a new user and a custom role when we did our setup section, but we've also made additional changes since then. So let's take a moment and see how this all plays out. In the installation section, we discussed user, roles, and privileges. Now let's take a look at this with a bit of a twist. Remember, a Dell Boomi platform user corresponds to the unique email address given direct access to one or more Dell Boomi accounts. So in this example, I am going to create a new user called boomiadmin1. A role is assigned to a user to enable a list of privileges, and a user can be given access to many roles. I have assigned the role as a standard user. A standard user has many of the privileges an administrator does, except for API access, account administration, account group management, build read access, cloud management, dashboards, environment management, user management, and view audit logs. So basically, a standard user has access to build, deploy, and manage processes. So let's log in as our boomiadmin1. And we open our process. Notice that a message in yellow states that the component has been opened in read mode. You will not be able to save changes to the component. Do you know why we're getting that error message? Well, let's take a look at the folder and look at the icon to the left. It is a folder with a person on it, which basically means that the folder is locked. We locked this folder in exercise 7, and we only allowed privileges to the administrator and our own custom role of developer restricted docs and data. So once you assign a role, the user will get everything that's allowed to the role, and this includes everything defined in user management, folder permissions, and environment roles. So now let's do exercise number 15. We're going to add a new user. We've logged in. We're still in our admin1 Boomi Training account. Setup, user management. You should see your email, your initial email that you've set up, and this is your first email that you have been using in our setup section. What we're going to do is add another user. This is our secondary email. We're going to assign this standard user. And we're going to click on OK. The message has been displayed. We registered a new user, your email2.gmail.com. The email has been sent to your user with their login credentials. We're going to log out of our session. We're going to log in with the new email account. We'll click on Login. I've now logged in with my new Boomi account, and I've opened up account XML.csv. I notice that I have a message here. It says this component has been opened in read mode. You will not be able to save changes to this component. So why is the reason why we're getting this? And you look at the administration. Notice that this guy does have the little person on the folder. And we've set this up that the only two people who have access to this is the administrator and the custom role that we've created. They have write access. Everyone has read access. We have been set up as standard users, therefore we only have read access to this particular folder. Now it's your turn to do exercise number 15, add a new user. When we return, we are going to be taking a look at user alerts.